Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about drone leaks of the year, the brand new DJI Avata 3. Yes, you heard that right. The next generation of DJI's FPV beast is already making waves online with some massive leaks, and the upgrades being hinted at are nothing short of insane. From a rumored 1-inch sensor and 4K at 120 frames per second, to a redesigned body, better flight performance, and even longer battery life, the Avata 3 could completely change the FPV game in 2025, and this video will break down every leak, every rumor, and every hidden detail that might reveal what DJI is planning next. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We'll also talk about how these upgrades could impact creators, FPV flyers, and anyone thinking about buying a new drone next year. So grab your goggles, buckle up, and let's jump straight into the world of DJI Avata 3 leaks and the biggest upgrades confirmed for 2025. Welcome to this deep dive into what may be one of the most anticipated drone releases of 2025, the DJI Avata 3. With the title DJI Avata 3 New Leaks, Confirm Biggest Upgrades for 2025, we aim to explore every rumor, every leak, and every plausible upgrade that the Avata 3 might bring. Whether you're a filmmaker, an FPV enthusiast, or simply someone tracking drone technology's next leap forward, this script is for you. Over the next several thousand words, we'll cover how the Avata line has evolved to date, what the leaks are telling us about the Avata 3, what these upgrades might mean in real-world use, what the caveats are, and whether it makes sense to wait for this model or pull the trigger on current offerings. To begin, we must establish the background. Why the Avata series matters, what the Avata 2 achieved, and why a successor is significant. The original Avata model marked a turning point for DJI in the FPV/Cine Whoop style drone category. It blended first-person view, FPV, style maneuverability with DJI's signature reliability, camera quality, transmission system, and ecosystem. The Avata appealed to both creators wanting cinematic perspectives and hobby pilots looking for immersive flight. Its very existence signaled that DJI was willing to blur the line between traditional drones for aerial photography and more dynamic FPV-style machines. When DJI released the Avata 2 in April 2024, it refined that approach. According to sources, the Avata 2 featured a larger sensor, 1/1.3, compared to earlier models, improved HDR video capability, and a more accessible easy ACRO mode for flips, rolls, and drifts. The flight performance and experience improved, making the Avata 2 an appealing option for both enthusiasts and newcomers. But as is always the case in tech, expectations now shift towards the next leap, the Avata 3. What might it bring? What's realistic versus hype? And when might it arrive? Turning to the leaks, multiple sources have come forward with images, filings, and forum discussions hinting at key upgrades for the Avata 3. For instance, one leak, via Loyalty Drones, suggests that the Avata 3 might adopt a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a big jump from the Avata 2's. That upgrade would have a substantial impact on image quality, especially in low light, dynamic range, and cinematic footage quality. Another leak shows images of a prototype where the battery module seems repositioned. The propeller design appears to have switched to 4-blade instead of 3, and the front camera module